right, so we're here. We're in my office. I don't have any clients yet. Actually, hold on. Let's rewind. So 2 months ago, right, I told y'all that I passed my LCSW test, so that makes me a licensed clinical social worker. Amen. That was 2 months ago. And the beginning of the year, I did like a quarterly like goals checklist. And some of the things I got to earlier, and some of the things I didn't get to at all. So we're switching those over to 2024, but we'll talk about those then. But at that point, I think by this time or so, I was supposed to be like trying to figure out branding and trying to figure out things. But things accelerated quite quickly, right? So I projected that I would be ready for private practice. So running my own therapy situation and be in charge of my own clients, running my own business, you know what I'm saying? By 2024, like the beginning, like January, boom, we're ready to go. And then it like got moved up to October because I was like, oh, this is moving quicker than I thought. But now it's like we're like almost ready to go a little bit, and it's September. Am I comfortable with that? Not really, because it didn't fit into my plan. It's faster than my plan. But so now we're like, I'm not gonna be available in the middle of September. So I just want to make sure this space is set up before I leave. Things I still need, my office chair will be coming in at the end of September, so that'll be cool. And then we need the clients, but you know they say build it and they will come. So we're building. I also am grateful because this space will double as like a filming situation, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm happy about that too. So that's what we're setting up. And I was trying to figure out, okay, look, hold on. All right, so this is the other wall to my office, right? And I was trying to figure out what to do with it. And I bought this like little note hanger thing, but it wasn't working, right? So what I'm thinking is every time I go somewhere, it was at my last apartment, I do it in my car, and I do it at my job right now, is that I have like a little posted station of encouragement. So I want to turn this into an actual wall of encouragement instead of like a part of a wall of encouragement. And then on this wall, y'all see this bare wall, my logo will go like right here. And then in the future, I want like a navy blue semi-round chair that's on Amazon, but it's like $200 and I'll get that next year. So that's what's happening, right? For this little space of mine. Today, we're gonna put up a bookshelf and do some planning, amen, for other things that I have coming up. You know, I was thinking, I don't know if anybody really want to know this for the budding therapists out there, but and maybe I'll figure that out later on. But do y'all want to know how I've been furnishing my situation? So first of all, shout out to my social work community, right? Because I'm subletting this situation from my people. So all the furniture is from Amazon, from one place, one time or another, amen. Some of this stuff, if you watch some of my videos or seen the pictures that I took during the pandemic, you know that I shopped my storage unit for some of these things. This is my mom's, this little plant. The couch is mine. Just got these from Home Goods. This is mine, took it straight out of my room. Look, girl, this is mine. Cause I have two from my apartment. So I have, let me see if you can see it. I have this desk. That scared me. So at my job right now, we have desks, but we also have these like stations in all the rooms. And I was like, you know what, instead of getting a desk to take up more room in here, why not get a standing desk? I have a white one like this at home, so I just ordered one to kind of match more of like what's going on in this room. This is a weird angle. So it goes up to here, which I think is amazing. And this is also for my storage unit. I'm gonna move that over there at some point. So everything else is a little Amazon purchase. So the bookshelf that I'm about to put together, the side table that's over there, and yeah, that's about it. You know what I'm saying? Oh. Okay, we're gonna have to get a different tripod, a different one, bro. So right now we're just getting a little charger ready. Then I'll put the box together. I mean, the bookshelf. Here's the first sticky note on my wall of encouragement, y'all. It's happening. There's my first sticky note. Also, I just slapped this together real quick. I'm actually pretty happy about it. There's just some things. I gotta get some books from my my job, but this is working. I only got these 3 things from Home Goods. The mug, I think another Home Goods purchase years ago. And waiting for my business cards to come in. I'm rather happy with them. Artwork done by me, amen. And that's what we're doing. All right, y'all. So for the rest of this day, okay, I'm gonna do a 360 of this when I'm done talking to y'all, but I'm just gonna do some planning for my podcast that I might be renaming, but we'll talk about it later. So until next time, bye.